I remembered. Hi, Field Inside people, it's Paul here. So I just want to talk about a big lesson which has taken me many years to get my head around, and this is marketing and sales. So I am a technical person from a background. I'm a software developer. I've done architecture, software architecture, business analysis, project management. These are all like geeky technical things. Product management, usability design, that's what I've been doing. And moving into, there's a cockatoo up there. Moving into sales and marketing was a big mental shift from me. And I thought it was like a project, like you execute this stuff for a little while and then you get more customers, or you execute this for a while and you get more leads. And it's not. It's a different game. Sales and marketing it's more than a marathon. It's just like an ongoing process. A brilliant saleswoman, Sarah, talks about it, and she says it's following the bouncing ball. And that's what it is for sales, and it's the same for marketing actually. You need to keep producing content of high value in the right context, as Dan Medell would say, who's my business coach, and you need to be regular with it, and it needs to go somewhere. So you need to take that content and it needs to lead you to the next step in your journey, and you're not pushing anyone to get to the next step. You're just, when they're ready, you have a path for them to follow. So sales and marketing is not a project. It's an ongoing, repeatable process. And everyone talks about this, and it's simpler than it sounds, and it's harder than it sounds. And if you're not a consistent person, get someone else to do it for you, because it's all about consistency. It's all about sticking to your deadlines and your appointments and your follow-ups and just being there for your customers. Obviously, being personable and that sort of stuff helps, but really the essence of it is just being reliable. Just be there. And the content creation side of it is, you have the knowledge, just share it regularly, like a minimum once a week, and that's just scratching the surface. Really, 3 times a week is where you start to get traction and getting out to the different channels. But if you pick a channel, like, just keep producing to that channel, right? You want to be consistent so people know that you'll be there when they're looking for that, and also consistent in type and context so they know what they're going to get from that. People hate change, like they just don't like it. It's in their DNA, even for the better. Unless you're removing a massive pain point, and then they love it. But generally people really appreciate consistency. So sales and marketing both are about consistency. You have the knowledge. The best sales marketing material is testimonials. So if you just pump out one of those a week, even if you automate the process for capturing those testimonials and they go out. So automation and marketing is why it works so well, because that gives you consistency. Anyway, that's just my little 2 cents worth and 10 years of struggle to understand sales and marketing. So go forth and prosper. Oh, what is it? Is it like this? Oh, I got it. It's like that. Yeah. Bye.